surprise guest, na-surprise nga ako. In the flesh, hindi na po video. But I just wanted really to see you, especially that this is the first batch to this new program, the new Feaster Slate. Whatever feast you're attending here at the Bay Area, you belong to the family. In fact, whatever feast you attend, any part of the world, you belong already to the Light of Jesus family. We're excited. We're excited for you. Alam niyo po, nabanggit ni Tony, 27 years na ba tayo sa feast, no? At 44 years na sa Light of Jesus. More than half po nun ay nandito na po ako. 25 years na halos ako nakasama ni Brother Bo. Siguro kinikwenta niyo edad ko. 7 years old pa lang ako, sumama na ako. But you know, ever since I joined the feast, ever since Brother Bo invited me when he saw me in my old community, my life has dramatically changed. Miraculously changed. Kaya excited po ako sa inyong lahat. Alam ko, maganda na ang buhay niyo, pero mas gaganda pa. Kaya po sa hapon ko saan ako'y na-assign for 14 years now, lagi ko sinasabi, mayroong magandang mangyayari sa inyong lahat.
Amen!
It's good to journey in life with the Lord, with a community. Sigurado ko naman na may journey na kayo with the Lord personally, di ba? I'm sure you've been attending masses in your parishes, and that's beautiful, that's beautiful. Magandang dagdag lang na mayroon kang talagang pamilya. Spiritual community mo, na talagang nakakaagapay mo, kasama mo. Alam niyo, ramdam yan, lalo na nag-pandemic, lalong naramdaman namin hindi kang nag-iisa. No? At sa tagumpay o sa kabiguan, sa araw o sa tag-ulan, ramdam na ramdam mo si Jesus. Lalo na sa ating series ngayon, come and see, come and hear, come and experience Jesus. And you can come, see, hear, and experience Jesus with warm bodies. Yung kasama mong nakakausap through the feast. So again, without prolonging this much, because I'm still rushing to our Feast PM session, I thank my co-feast builders, Brother Odi, Brother Tony, and I've seen Brother Dido a while ago. Maraming salamat. And of course, above all, to our servants, to our leaders, they keep the feast going. But of course, kahit po kami nandito, builders, servants, kung wala pong ma-attend, hindi kami lang ito. Kaya napakalaking bagay po na kayo ay dumating sa buhay ng Light of Jesus family, sa aming mga buhay, lalo pong nagkaroon ng kahulugan at kabuluhan na kami ay magpatuloy. At sana po, tuloy-tuloy nyo nga ang paglalakbay. And again, I'm excited at what the Lord will do to you in your newfound journey in your spiritual life with the feast. Magsama pa po kayo. Yes. Magbalita nyo. Spread the good news. That here at the feast, you are loved. So maraming salamat po. Welcome again. Isang pakiusap ko na lang po dahil mahilig po ako mag-post every Monday. Ako po ay nag-report bilang punong lingkod sa Bay Area District. Every Monday ako ay nag-report ng anong mga naganap. Kaya po, pakiusap ko po, panoodin niyo po ako magsiselfie po.
Come on.
Salamat po.